Alright, here's an integral that may look quite daunting, but in reality, it's really not that hard. We have the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of sine x cosine of cosine x dx. So automatically, I have a cosine inside of a sine, cosine inside of cosine. I'm probably going to let u equal that cosine x. And then du dx, we know the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. And therefore dx equals du over negative sine x, right? And now I can take that negative out, so I get negative integral. I have to redefine my boundaries. Cosine of 0 is going to be 1. Cosine of pi over 2 is going to be equal to 0. My sines will cancel, and I get cosine u du. Now I'm going to swap my bounds, and that will get rid of that negative out in front. So I have the integral from 0 to 1 of cosine u du. Now I integrate. The integral of cosine u is sine of u. And I'm taking this from 0 to 1. So I have the sine of 1 minus the sine of 0. Now we know that the sine of 0 is going to be equal to 0. And therefore, my final answer is the sine of 1. Nice problem.